Hello guys, in this video we will see that how to map characters. We have to print like A in position of a 0, B1, C2, D3. We can easily get this type of result using for loop. Like suppose we have where alpha equals to suppose we have this and we easily mapped from this using for loop, but we have to map from object. How can we get from object this type of in output? We can easily get from the for loop, normal for loop in 2 or 3 lines of code, but we have to get from objects. So how can we get desired output like that? Okay, now we will see that how to get from object, comment it out, and then first of all we have to use for loop. Using for loop we can direct access, but we have to use object for where I equal to 0, I less than where we have to stop this. We have to check alpha dot length. Okay, alpha dot length I plus plus, and then and we have to declare object first, empty object. Okay, now let another declare, because we want all the elements put inside the object. Okay, so then how we can put all the elements inside the object, where name equals to alpha I. Declare the another variable name alpha I, running loop from 0 to alpha dot length. And now if object name equal to undefined, then we check in this variable I equals to 0. Okay, this checks alpha I, is a present in the object. If it is not present, then it shows undefined. If it shows undefined, then we declared object name equals to 1. Okay, if it is not present, then we say go to the object and shows 1. And else if it is already present, then object name equals to object name plus 1. If it is already present in the object, we check here if object name, object in the name, what is the name is alpha I. If alpha I, if alpha is already, if alpha I not present in the object, it shows undefined, then it object name, that means put the alphabet into the object and declare it 1. And if it is already present, then we increase the number. Okay, and then console.log object, run it. Here we got only 1 1 1 1 all the things, because nothing is repeated. A goes for the first time, it shows undefined, and it goes to the object. Again it's I equals to 1, and b will be access. I equals to 1, then is b present in the object? No, b is not present in the object. Then it goes and declared with 1. Again c C is already in the present. No, C is not already present in the object, and C goes with one value. Okay, if anyone is already present, then increases the number. Suppose let's here in the last we take a triple A. Okay, now see the results. Okay, here the value of A is 4, because the first time A goes 1, and then again A goes it increase the value 2, 3, 4. Okay, but we don't have to do. So let's get out from here, and then we have to calculate what we have to calculate increasing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 to till 25. But our results is not coming like that. Our results is only 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We have to increase. We have to increase. Okay, so here what we have to do, here if it was for the first time, it says 1. Okay, it's good. And if we add here 1 plus 1, then what it is, all equals to 2, all equals to 2. But we don't have to do, we only want increasing one by one. Okay, and so we simply add here I, because I changes every time. Now see the results. Yep. Let's remove from here, and now see the results. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 to 26. Okay, here not from 0. We have a not from 0. Actually I did mistakes. 1 to 26. Okay, we have to map 1 to 26, and we got the desired result. And if we want to suppose we want to starts from 50, we don't want to start from 1. We want to starts from A equals to 50, B 51, C 52. Then we have to do only one thing, put here. Let's remove the 1 and only 50, add 50. Oh, sorry, add 50 here, and then see the results. It starts from when I add here anything, because I will increases every time. I equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I here 50, then 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Let's do it. If I take only I here, and then we get the desired result like first. It starts from 0, right? It starts from 0 to 25. It starts from 0 to 25. Okay, we have to only change one line on the 32. Okay, now currently I want to start from 1. Okay, currently I want to start from 1, not to 50. Now guys, see, if I want to run this loop only n times, so suppose where n, suppose the value of n equals to 10. Okay, I want this is run till 10, when the value of key value pair that is 10 stops here. Okay, that means we want to only print a to j. Then what we have to do, because value of n equals to 10, we have to stop here. So we have to run for loop, and for loop in object. But how to run for loop in object? Let's comment it out and see. For where key in object. This is the basic syntax of for loop in object. We run for loop in object also, but this is the syntax, not this. We run for loop like this in array or strings, but the for loop run in object like this. Now we have to do only one thing. Check a conditional statement. If this is key, this is key, the all are key, a b c d e f g, these are keys, and the right side the value assigned is pairs. Okay, these are keys and these are pairs. We want when the pairs equals to 10, that means if n less than equals to 10, that means when the value of n is less than or equal to 10, then we want object console.log keys and values also. Okay, now let's see. Here conditional statement broke, but why? If oh yes, here we have to check object key. Okay, because n is not this object don't know what is n, right? So yeah, we map the all the things in this right side. We want to stop here n equals to 10. Okay, now we have to value assign object key equals to 10, because this is the key. Okay, and this is the value. When we want to write only key, then key, then it prints only key. Okay, key a b c d e f g h i j, but we want a value again. So this is the syntax of writing value. So we guys, let's see, between alphabet and the numbers there is a sign, there is a signs of subtraction. Okay, we can do it, we can do it too. Okay, now we check. Yep, we got 1 to 10. If we want 20, if we want 25, if we want 5, we all get from this desired this code. Okay, in this code nothing is rocket science. We only run a for loop in this, and value assign, because alpha I and let a object and check if the element is present in the object. If the element is not present in the object, then it goes to the object and increase by I. Okay, because I if we don't plus add the I, then it simply says 1 1 1 1 1. Therefore we says I, because we want an increasing value, right? So we add I. Else if it is present, you saw here when we add 3 as the value of a equals to 4, So if the element is already present in the object, then increase the pairs, because key is in left side and right side pairs, and we run a for loop on the object, and we says if the value of a pair is less than equal to 10, then we have to stop, we have to print. Okay. Mm, I hope you understand, guys, because in object many of the students are struggled. I also struggled when I tried first time, but when you play with the objects, then you are able to do it. Okay, thank you.